You're not uncreative. You're overstimulated. Every day, you scroll through hundreds of ideas that aren't yours. Podcasts, reels, tutorials, advice, opinions. Your brain never gets a moment to speak. Here's the part nobody tells you. Creativity doesn't come from input, it comes from processing. When you keep consuming without pause, your mind stays busy copying, not connecting. It's like pouring water into a cup that's already full. Nothing new fits. That's why you feel blank when it's time to create, not because you lack ideas, but because your brain is tired of carrying other people's thoughts. Your mind needs silence the same way muscles need rest. Without it, everything feels heavy. Thinking feels hard. Starting feels impossible. Most people think they need more inspiration. They don't. They need less noise. The best ideas show up after boredom, after walking without headphones, after staring at nothing, after sitting with discomfort instead of escaping it. That empty feeling you hate, that's where original thoughts are born. So if you want to create again, stop feeding your mind non-stop. Let it breathe, let it wander, let it get bored. Because creativity isn't missing, it's buried under consumption.